Hello, glad you could join me. I am in such a rush. We've got a dinner party tonight, so I can't be subtle. I will always be over the top. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Gary and Frankie Jack are just getting in the bath now for the dinner party tonight. I don't think I'm even going to have a chance to get ready, but I wanted to film this to show you. So I've just got a normal, as I did for my other tablecloth. I've got like a wooden table with a glass on the top, and I just put a flat sheet over the top. So this was my last Valentine's table. However, I'm doing this pink themed because it's obviously that colour in my living room. The last table I did for Valentine's, it was red. Now this doesn't have to be Valentine's, it could be for a birthday. It would be magnificent for a wedding. It is totally OTT. I'm gonna start decorating it now and go through what I'm doing. So you have to excuse me, I'm running around so quickly, so that might be why I'm a little bit out of breath, and obviously that is my, I don't know what to call it, condition, what's wrong with me at the moment. Anyway, so I've got a beautiful tablecloth, and I don't know whether you can see it, it's sparkly. Now, obviously when I put that on the table, you can see my skin through that, so it's always better if I've got a white tablecloth on top first of all. So I'm just gonna sling this over and get it on. It's not as long as the other tablecloth, but it really does do a magnificent job, and it looks sensational on. So there we go. That's on there. There is a bit of a mark on there, and I don't know why. I do put this through the washer as well. Anyway, there we go. Can you see it sparkles? It's so beautiful. Let me see if it might sparkle if I do this. I don't know whether you can see it a little bit more. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm turning that off because it's a bit, I'm in and out like an headless chicken. Now I've also got this material that I bought from a material shop. I bought 4 meters because I wanted to hang either side of the table. So all I'm going to do is scrunch it up and then throw it over the table down the middle, so it is quite wedding-ified. You're going to go, oh my god, this for a dinner party? So I have these sensational charges. They're glass and they've got silver beading down the side. I just adore them. Just to let you know the rule about chargers. Chargers should be out for dessert and main course, but should never be out for, no, starter and main course, but should never be out for dessert or pudding, whichever you call it. I did do a tutorial on this, and this is flowers submerged in water. I wanted bigger candles than this, but this is all I could get in time, but I would prefer the, I can't remember what they're called, they're 3-inch, these are only small. Gosh, I wish I could tell you where I got these, but can you see they're actually rose coloured, like my blush pink that I'm putting on? Oh, it says on the bag B&M. So I got these from Tesco's. I love them. They're sort of that sort of distressed metallic, and they're in a blush pink. And then I've got these little goblets which actually Gary mistook for his espresso cup, and I'm going to put the blush pink tea lights in here so you can see them through. I've also just found these which are delightful because they smell of rose. So this is where I use my artificial flowers. So the flowers that are in there are real, but these ones are artificial. So I do need, and I love the peonies, but obviously, and the roses. I just need to cut these down though. I'm just going to dot these around. I've picked up these, they're a mega bargain, only £1 in Poundland. I can't work out which way I'm going to do it. I'm just going to see what my white looked like. No, I prefer the pink. I've got some real roses, and what I do is I take so my serviettes are folded like a rose. And if you want to know how to do that, it's in the description below. Cutlery as well, always cutlery for a starter and a main course. I always get this the wrong way around because I eat left-handed and I've always got to think the other way around. So a knife goes in your right, but it goes in my left. You're hungry? You're going to be sitting down with us tonight anyway. I'm putting you a seat at the table.
No, I'm not finished yet. Daddy said when he's coming down, I'm going to have it. I'm not sitting at the table.
For dessert, I'm doing a dessert from the Cook For Me tea fowl, which is fabulous. These are my favourite wine glasses. They've got swirls going round them. Can you see? So my water glasses also match, and so does the water jug. I think of the name. A water glass should go behind your wine glass, you know, further up, but I always put it at the front because I think it looks better. And voila, that is a table finished. I just need to light the candles and then I'll show you it completely finished. In fact, let me take you over now. The rose, which I've shown you in another tutorial. You've got the blush candles that I got from B&M. You've got this, which is just a piece of material. These are fake flowers, these are real flowers. I've submerged them in water and I've shown you on a tutorial. I always put the water glasses at the front because I think it looks nicer. However, you're not supposed to do that. I've got the charger. Remember, chargers don't go out of pudding. I've got these from Poundland. This is a better plate. I got a mega deal on those. That's Villa Bock, but I got an awesome deal from TK Maxx. I've got these glass chargers, which I've had for years, and of course this beautiful tablecloth as well. But that's it from afar. I absolutely love it, and I'll show you finished when I've got all the candles. So this is my Valentine's table. I know it looks very much like a wedding and it's totally OTT, but I'm just in love with it. It looks so beautiful. I absolutely love it. These are artificial, but I've also got the blush tea lights from B&M. These are from the range. Tablecloths from China, a couple of years ago. The rose napkins are linen, and I got those from eBay. The floating, the submerged roses. I've done a tutorial on those. Those are real. Glass chargers and my pound side plates from Poundland. And that is my table for Valentine's. Bottle of Prosecco, and I've taken flowers and I've put them into ice cubes and then put them over the pink bottle so it goes with the table. Look at that.